What are some possible career paths in economics? Today, we're talking about investment banking and whether majoring in economics is actually a good path towards that career. In this video, we'll discuss the following. First, what is investment banking? 2, types of jobs in investment banking. 3, salaries in investment banking. And then finally, what you're here for today. Is economics a good major to prepare you for investment banking careers? Let's get started. What is investment banking? Investment banking is the division of a bank or financial institution that serves governments, corporations, and institutions by providing them underwriting, originating, issuing, and distributing securities. Investment banks also provide advice on financial strategy and provide services such as mergers and acquisitions and corporate restructuring. Types of jobs in investment banking are broad. First, you could be an investment banker. An investment banker typically works with clients to raise capital by issuing and selling securities and also provides financial advice and helps companies with mergers and acquisitions. Or you could be an equity research analyst. A research analyst provides research and analysis on companies and industries to help investment bankers and portfolio managers make better investment decisions. Or you could be in sales and trading. Sales traders buy and sell securities on behalf of clients, using their knowledge of market conditions and the bank's inventory to execute trades. Or you could be on the risk management side. The risk management professionals are responsible for identifying, assessing, and managing risk associated with an investment bank's operation. You could be an investment banking analyst. An analyst here is responsible for providing analytical and administrative support to investment bankers, including the preparation of presentations and financial models. Another thriving area is private equity analysts. A private equity analyst works with a portfolio of companies and is involved in the entire life cycle of a private equity investment. That includes sourcing the deal, performing due diligence, negotiating terms, and monitoring the performance of portfolio companies. These are just a few examples. There are many other roles and sub-roles that exist within the field of investment banking. Let's talk about money. Salaries in investment banking will vary drastically. They'll vary drastically by the level of experience, certification, licensing, and the location. For this video, I'll focus on the Cincinnati area where I'm located. The average salary here, according to salary.com, is $81,910, but that ranges from $74,000 all the way up to $91,000. According to salary.com, the cost of living in Cincinnati is 10.7%, so that's 10.7% lower than the national average, so keep that in mind when you're thinking about salaries in your area. Let's talk about economics as a major for investment banking careers. Economics is a fantastic major for those of you interested in investment banking because it provides a strong foundation in financial and quantitative analysis, as well as help you understand how businesses and markets operate. Economic majors learn how to analyze data and interpret economic trends, which are skills that are highly valued in investment banking. Econ majors also study macro and microeconomics, which provides a good understanding of the economy and how businesses operate, and how they are affected by the economy. Many of the key concepts and theories studied in economics, such as supply and demand, market structure, the time value of money, are directly applicable to investment banking. But I have to be fair. It's not necessary to major in economics to break into investment banking. Many successful investment bankers have degrees in other fields like finance, computer science, accounting, mathematics, engineering. Ultimately, investment banking firms are looking for people who have strong analytical and quantitative skill sets, and they're able to think strategically and understand the financial markets. There's many reasons to study economics. Being an investment banker is one of the reasons too. You all asked if economics is a great major for investment banking. Today I answered. If you have other questions, leave a comment. Would love to answer your questions. Thanks for joining me for another episode of Economics with Dr. A. See you all next week. Here's a playlist just for you.